A new video, and today we're gonna play Melon Sandbox again. So, remember last time when I showed you this one? So yeah, I made the second version and the third. So we're gonna be testing their thresholds by using this. They just lately added this. I don't know if it's been here because I don't know. Okay, let's deploy the first one first. Oops, I forgot the buttons. Is it this one? Oh, I noticed it. Those are the spikes! The spikes don't work on this one. Bro, where's my airbags? Alright, the airbags is on. Next one. Is this airbags? No. Is this airbags? No. This is the first one. Oh yeah, I forgot. So yeah, this is like the flap system that I made. Don't really like the spikes. This is the flap system I made. And then some, and this is the. So this is the third version, my latest one. So it has front flaps, as you can see, side flaps, as you can see. Over now, and then I drive it. Airbags, and then spikes that actually drives to the ground. And now we'll be trying the threshold. Let me get into a better angle. Alright guys, I'm all good. So we're gonna try 4 spins. So let's try out first 10. Of course they're gonna survive. 100. Ooh. The tornado wrestler 2 is kinda lifting. 150. Oh. 150. Oh my gosh. Almost. Bro. The third version is just like a rock. 200. Let's see. Oh, let me drive. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's gonna knock it out. Oops. Oh. And no, I'm gonna crash, gang. Okay, guys, I deleted it. So the thresholds of this boat is only what's it? Only 150. Let's try 250 on this one. Still I'm moving. 200. Oh my gosh. This thing is so stabilized. 400. Sliding away. Alright. Still standing though. It's like the first one. It slides when it first hits. Because of like the change. Let's pump it up to 700. It's riding like a modern. It's not airbase though yet. Let's just try 800. Let's try it again. Oh my gosh. I'm still standing, baby. I'm running and I'm still standing, baby. Oh. Yeah, it's right there. I think that's all you can handle. So this one's threshold is crazy high. I can't even pick it up. It's crazy high. It has 800. That's absurd, bro. And I like the design on this one. It's way more better than the other one because the other one's back is kinda dookie. Like look how it like curves thingy mababa. But this one is like way more cement. I don't know how to. Ah! This one is like an egg. Brr. Oh my gosh, I hate ads. Sorry guys. Sorry guys, there's ads. But yeah. Look bro, look at this one's back. It's like an egg. An egg. And the front on this one's like getting. And this one's, I don't know what happened to this one, bro. It's an abomination. But this one has flaps and three spikes. But this one only has two. But this one's actually dropping to the ground. It's not that good though. Just But oh my gosh, I got it. Second. But some of this like is super slow to drive. Like wait. Alright, let's drive this one to check how fast is it. That's why I added the second gear. It's kinda slow. It's kinda slow. The first version is this. I maxed it out. Oh, this one's super slow without the back wheel. With the back wheel, it's gonna go faster if I turn it on. But I'm too lazy to. I forgot to. Oh my! I thought the recording ended. Oh man, bro, my throat hurts. And then I made this Doppler on wheels. The throttle is not that good. It's only 50. It's meant to be like a tornado support vehicle, not meant for intercepts. Where is it? Oh, right here. Unlike the Tornado Wrestler 3, it's fast with all those heavy stuff. Look. Oh, it's gonna crash! And this is like the template I used to make some of this. Oh, this was the unfinished thingy, mababi. It was not finished yet. I was just making like the flap system and the thingy, mababi. The other systems. This is not the unfinished version, but bro, the treasure is kinda good in this one. Let's test that. Let me drive. 100 forces can handle it, even though it's not finished. 200 unmoved. 500 unmoved. It's sliding a little. 600 unmoved. 700 unmoved. Oh no, 700 unmoved. It's sliding a little. Let's just wrap it out to 1K. How? This is impossible, gang. How, Brody? Oh, this is the test version. Oh my gosh. I forgot to test the upwinds. I'll just do that in another video. How is this thing's threshold so good? Is it because of the what is it called? I think it's because of like the airbag system. It's because on the main one I made the airbag system a little weaker. It's because so it won't be too OP, and then I made this thing. This is off the subject. Oh my gosh, bro. So yeah, and if you're curious, this is the first version I made. It's just pistons. So that will be all for today, guys. Bye, guys.